Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're in the shop. We're going to do a little upgrade slash maintenance to the old Tacoma here. I've got a 2019 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport. I reached out to KSP Performance and asked them if I could try out a set of their new upper control arms that has the correct geometry for Tacomas with 2 to 4 inch lifts. A little bit about these upper control arms. They are forged steel. They have a lifetime warranty on the craftsmanship. They have a 1-year warranty on the ball joint, which is replaceable and serviceable. So you can take this dust cap off the top here and grease it. Also, they come with grease zerks, one on each side, so you can grease your bushings regularly. So that will prevent premature wear. So far, I like what I see. I'll go over and I'll show you guys everything that comes in the kit with these, and then we'll get into the install. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I am going to just put a little grease on these sleeves inside there so the sleeve will fit inside the bushing, and grease the bushing up just a little bit on the outside so everything pops in real good there. So they do give you a little pack of grease to help with that process, so thank you for that. Like I said, this will just kind of help things slide together a little better. All right, repeat that on the other side. All right, now that we've got the bushings in and everything, we're gonna install the grease zerks. So one thing I've seen people report as they're breaking these off. I haven't had any trouble. I mean, went right in and I'm just gonna barely, lightly snug it. It's a 9mm. Those don't have to be like crammed in there. Just a slight little snug and you're good to go. So we'll repeat that on the other side as well. All right, so now we've got the bushings and everything put in. This is gonna slide over just like this. Pay attention to that, the ABS cable there, but we are going to just reinstall. It has 2 washers on each side on the new upper control arm, where the old one only had 1. So make sure you account for that as well. But I'm going to struggle and get this bolt back through here, and we'll show you once I get the bolt in and everything tightened down. All right guys, so as you can see, I've got everything put back together. Bolt all the way back through. You can see right there, it's a lot better to get in there. Got the ABS brake line mounted back up. What I will do, once I get it on the ground and everything, I'll come back, and this bolt here should be 65 to 75 foot-pounds torqued, and this is supposed to be torqued to 100. So I'll come back in and get those torqued up back to spec and everything. But not a bad install. I think the hardest thing was just getting this part right here bent out and getting that bolt out. That's pretty tricky, but very doable. Like I said, as long as you don't mind bending this up a little bit. I think I'm gonna still go back and take a hammer. I got a spot right here that needs a little touch up right there, but for the most part, the splash guard right here is gonna cover anything. I may go back with some black paint where I scraped a little bit just to prevent rust. But other than that, not a bad install. I like the way they look, and I'm excited to see how they ride. So with that, I just wanna give a big shout out. Thank you to KSP Performance for sending these to me to try out. I wanna thank you all for watching along. If you like this video, give it a like. I'll leave a link to KSP, to their website, their Instagram, all that good stuff in the description below. And we'll see you guys on the next one.